Hey everybody, welcome back to the Roadhouse. Thanksgiving Day, it's early in the morning. I'm going to do my first turkey on the Lone Star Grillz offset. So I got it rolling, I got the bird on there, and what I did use my grill bump injector. Y'all check that out, I got that on Amazon. Pretty cool product, and I injected it with just some hot water and SuckleBusters Campfire steak seasoning. Y'all check them out, that's good stuff. And I rubbed the outside with Uncle Steve's Shake original rub. Y'all go see Uncle Steve, show him a little love, man. UncleSteveShake.com. Anyway, I'll meet y'all out here by the grill in just a minute. Alright, we're rolling about 250. I did take the top rack out because it probably fit in there, but just for, you know, maneuvering capabilities and stuff. About 16.5 pounds, y'all, and I did put some water in the bottom of the pit. I'll probably put about a gallon or so, and we're gonna see how much that keeps that bird, but we're gonna let it roll. We'll keep the firebox stoked up, and we'll come back check on it in a little bit. We got a few hours in. Oh, that bird looking good. I got the meat stick in there, and I also got my flame balls hooked up. So readings are just about 10 degrees off from flame balls to the meat stick. We're gonna stick the quick read in there and see which one is more accurate. So anyway, we'll be back. We are about 4 hours in, I guess. Something like that. On the right pan on the top, we have some homemade mac and cheese, and over here we have some cornbread dressing with crawfish in it. So had to put a little foil on my turkey so it wouldn't burn up. So I put the small logs like that, y'all, they probably about, I don't know, maybe 4 inches around, something like that, and 3-4 inches around. And that is the second round. You know, of course, I had a couple of chunks of charcoal just to keep it hot. Trying to get this bird done so we can eat. But anyway, we'll come back and check on it in a little while. Okay, we are about 320 degrees. The flame boss is showing 321. That meat probe is showing 162. Meat stick is showing 316, and it's showing 177 for the internal. They were right on, but I do have foil over the turkey, so they might be throwing them off a little bit. So here I did probe it with my thermal pin, and I actually turned the turkey to put the right breast towards the fire a little more, and stoked it up a little bit. So we're just waiting on the bird. Moonshine getting hungry, y'all. We'll be back. Alright, let's check this bird. Oh yeah, 170, we good. Oh yeah, alright. Let's pull this dude off. I'll meet y'all inside. Alright, y'all, we ready to chow down. Check this out. First turkey on the Lone Star Grillz. I would say, ooh, look at that juice. Check that out. Nice little smoke color on the inside. Boy, that's all right there, y'all. Little wing action for y'all. Hot. Oh, look at that. Nice, huh? Alright, let's cut some of this breast up right quick and see what we got, y'all. Let's get this little slice right here. Oh man, beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. Juicy. Look at the juice. Very good. That'll be some good bird there. Oh, that's hot. It hadn't rested about 15 minutes, y'all. Anyway, there you have it, folks. We're gonna give it a try Right quick, see what we got here. Just to say we did. Pecan smoke on the Lone Star Grills. Happy Thanksgiving and cheers to y'all down the hatch. That's some really good flavor. Really good. Uncle Steve's on the outside. SuckleBusters steakhouse seasoning on the inside. Excellent, y'all. People looking at me, so we're gonna get out here and eat. Thank y'all for stopping by. Happy Thanksgiving. See y'all next time. Bye-bye.